Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw Kansas City Chief from Stumble Guys. And hey Andrea, thanks for your suggestion on drawing this cool character. Who's your favourite sports team? Mine's Adelaide Crows from the AFL. Now in this video I've drawn this using the iPad and drawing lines at a time. Remember, you can pause this video at any stage to see how to draw any bits that you need to. I'm going to colour Kansas City Chiefs in with my trusty Copic markers and other alcohol markers that I love to use. You can colour yours with whatever you've got at home. Remember, the more you practice your drawing, the better you'll get. I hope you've had a great time drawing Kansas City Chiefs. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, thanks, bye, see ya.